I've been in the senior living and home and health for 42 years. It's important that we have good infection control here at Seabury and throughout our healthcare system here. I believe the restrooms are more hygienic because you don't have the soiled paper laying around on the floor or even on the counters. I would definitely recommend other healthcare facilities and continuing care retirement communities to use the XLERATOR dryer.
As a police department, like any other business organization, we've had to adapt to the COVID-19 and what we're up against. My understanding is that the dryers are equipped with HEPA filters, and that kills 99.9% of the viruses in the air. The relief in having to reload paper towels has freed up our custodians to conduct more sanitization throughout the building, doorknobs, handrails, that sort of thing.
We wanted air dryers, not just air dryers. We didn't know what they were called, but we wanted the ones, and I remember us joking because we make jet engines, that we wanted air dryers that were like the jet engines because we would see them in other facilities or rest areas that we go to. We pride ourselves on having the cleanest factory of our type out there, and we spend a lot of time on it. We do have HEPA filters in the dryers, and employees really appreciate that technology. Some employees asked about it, particularly during COVID, and are glad that they're included. This was an older metal building, and we retrofitted everything, and as part of that project, we had to redo the bathrooms. We had always used paper towels, which were just a mess. Just the labor involved in maintaining the bathrooms and the cost of the paper towels, it makes no sense to do it.
Well, the restrooms are a high priority. Job number one, cleanliness, hygiene, especially during these COVID times. I mean, everybody's washing their hands all the time, constantly. High priority. I think we all been to restaurants around the country, and you see a restroom that's a little dicey, and they're not doing their job. It's nasty. And kudos to XL Hand Dryers because they made high awareness to our consumer with their signage and aiding the operators like me to bring more awareness to the consumer out there to practice safe hygiene. I mean, that's just common sense, people. But I think they elevate that to a different level of awareness and execution.